How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the event triggers in Geometry Dash. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just add your event trigger to wherever you want to. And in my case, I'm going to be using the event trigger in order to simply play out or change the song itself. So I'm going to place my song trigger right here and then click edit object, and then I'm going to click on spawn trigger, multi-trigger, so that it will only trigger if an event occur on my level. So from here, of course, you could add your music the way you want to. In my case, I'm going to be using this one. And basically right after, if we click on the edit option or the event option, click edit object. And obviously you want to go ahead and group the sound effect right here to a free group. So I'm just going to make it group number 4. Click on the event trigger, click edit object, and the target ID will then be number 4 right here. Now, in my case, I'm just going to click on this option. And so in that way, if we basically did a hard landing, or if we had our head, or if we had hit our head on a wall, the music trigger will then go ahead and basically occur right here or happen on our level. So that's all there is to it for the events trigger. Basically, if we play out the level and one of the events happened, it will then go ahead and trigger this specific trigger right here. Of course, you could set other triggers the way you want to, but generally that's how you use the event trigger. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.